Initiating bank guarantee transactions is easy using DigiTrade portal through AU Corporate NetBanking. Log into AU Corporate NetBanking to access the DigiTrade portal. After logging in, you will be redirected to the Corporate NetBanking dashboard. Click on the Trade option on the left-hand side to open the DigiTrade portal in a new window. Let's start with the steps to be followed by the corporate maker. Click on Transactions tab and then select BG Issuance. Let's fill in the necessary details for the BG issuance. If you want to load previously weighted BG text, you can click on Load Weighted BG on the bottom of the screen. To fill the details, start with Applicant's Info tab. Then move to the BG Info tab, Margin and FD Info tab, and the Other Info tab. In the Attachment tab, attach all required and mandatory documents. Mandatory documents can be identified by the red line just next to Choose File text. Select the file by clicking Choose File and press Upload to save the file. Remember, each file should not exceed 10 MB and file names should not contain any special characters and zip files are not allowed. Click on Submit once you have filled and attached all necessary details and documents. You can send the transaction to the corporate checker for verification and approval by choosing the intended recipient through Request Forward to or by leaving it unselected to move the transaction into the common queue of the next user level. In case you need to make an amendment in the BG transaction, click on Transactions, then select BG Amendment. You can pick the BG for amendment from CBS number by clicking on Search. Fill in all the details in BG Info tab, Amendment Info tab, Margin and FD Info tab, and Other Info tab. You can follow the same instructions as defined in BG Issuance Attachment tab and press Upload to save the file. Click on Submit once you have filled and attached all necessary details and documents, and you will be able to see the preview of your transaction. Now let's get to the steps to be followed by the corporate checker. Pick the transaction from Transaction Grid under Authorizer column. Click on Details to review the transaction. Click on OK once you have verified all the details. Select the transaction and click on Accept for approval. You can click on the hyperlink to download the request PDF. Subsequently, click Submit to move the transaction forward to the bank. Congratulations! The transaction is now complete and sent to the bank for further action. Happy banking with AU Corporate NetBanking.